Hello everybody, I'm the Baking Queen and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be making a savory dish. That's right, I said we're going to be making a savory dish. We're going to be making a savory pumpkin cheese dip with bacon. This dip is so delicious. You're going to want to make it any time of the year, not just fall when pumpkin season is at its fullest. So let's gather our ingredients together and let's make this dip together. So what you're going to need to make this delicious dip is you're going to need a half cup of pumpkin can puree, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 3/4 cups medium cheddar cheese shredded, a half teaspoon paprika, a half teaspoon garlic powder, 3 large green onions sliced, save some for the topping, and 6 slices of thick cut bacon cooked and chopped, and save some of that for the top as well. So I went ahead and cooked up my bacon. I made this fresh. You can get bacon bits if you want, but I think the flavor of freshly cooked bacon is a lot better, more flavorful, and that way you can also choose what type of bacon you prefer in your dip. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this and my green onions up, and then we can put everything together. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cream all of our cream cheese, pumpkin puree, and the paprika and garlic powder together. So I've already got the cream cheese in here, and now I'm adding my pumpkin puree. Okay, so my cheese and my pumpkin puree are all in there. Then I'm going to add my paprika, and my garlic powder. Now I'm using my stand mixer for this, but if you don't have a stand mixer, that's okay. You can use a handheld mixer. You can even use your hands. But as you can see, a stand mixer is a lifesaver. It combines everything, mixes everything really, really well, and it saves your arm, it saves you time. Alright, so we mixed in our puree, our cream cheese, and our spices. So it's nice and creamy. I have a couple lumps from the cream cheese, but that's okay. But you know, if you want to get it like really, really smooth, you just have to like keep on beating it until you get it as smooth as you like it. But this is fine. Next, we're going to add in our shredded cheese. So just dump that right on in there and get that mixed up together. So we got our cheese nice and mixed up really good, and so now we're going to put in the bacon and the green onions. Remember to try to keep some of it if you want to do like a topping. I'm not worried about a topping, so I'm just going to dump all of mine in there. My green onions. I can get them off my cutting board. Give those a mix. Alright, so we have everything in there. Everything's mixed up. It looks really, really good. I'm sure it's going to taste just as good. And so we're going to put this into a container and let this sit for a while. And then we're going to give it a taste. Well, there you have it. The savory pumpkin cheese dip with bacon. It is so delicious. All your guests are going to love it. I pair mine with a bagel chip, which this one is actually with garlic, but you can pair it with pretzels, you can pair it with just about any type of chip, cracker you can think of. It's absolutely delicious. So, thank you for watching. As always, I am the Baking Queen, and until next time, just keep baking.